This is Devin Bledsoe at Heritage Ford. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Ford Edge. It's a titanium. If you look, it's got the premium wheels on it here. You take a look on the inside, we get some great features with the titanium package. The first one is going to be right here. These are memory seats. So what you see there is a 1, 2, 3. It can have up to 3 drivers, and it'll memorize the position of the seat you're comfortable with. So that you don't have to worry about moving your seat. If somebody changed it, you're in position 1, click the button position 1, it'll take you right back to where you like to be. The next thing we'll go over is this is a titanium. It's going to have the leather seats. The leather seats are also a very nice feature. It's going to come with heated seats, keep your butt warm in the winter time. I know it's getting cold out now. You're going to have automatic headlights, another great feature on the Edge. The automatic headlights are going to make it where you don't have to worry about turning the lights on and off. After you shut the vehicle off, you can walk into the house 30 seconds after you shut off the car, 30 to 45 seconds. The lights are going to shut off automatically. It's a great feature to have. This car is loaded with options. Tons of room in the back seat. We also have the panoramic sunroof up top. You come to the back here, we got rear backup sensors, a backup camera, power folding rear seats. You're going to have a ton of cargo space in this car. Alright folks, don't take my word for it. Again, my name's Devin Bledsoe. I live here locally. I'm a non-commissioned salesperson. Come into Heritage Ford, we'll take a test drive today.